Hello students, in the last lecture we have seen the smart IoT solutions or applications of IoTs such as smart waste management system, smart lighting system and smart environment. In this lecture we are going to see the smart water management technology using IoT. As per research, water scarcity will directly affect nearly 20% of the human population by the year 2025 and indirectly influence the rest of the planet's inhabitants as well as economies and the whole ecosystems. Smart water systems based on the combination of Internet of Things, big data, and artificial intelligence technologies can help stop these predictions from happening and undo the damage the imprudent usage of water resources has already caused. Smart water management implies the integration of systems and the adoption of complex of measures to monitor, control and regulate the usage of and quality of water resources and maintain the associated equipments such as pipes, pumps, etc. By systems, we mean a wide range of hardware and software instruments, including sensors, meters, data processing and visualizing tools, actuators, and web and mobile control, which connect people with the water systems. Modern smart water technologies. Today, smart water technology brings transparency and improved control to the whole water supply chain, starting from freshwater reservoir to wastewater collecting and recycling of it. Here are the devices, systems, and software tools that enable smart water benefits and help optimize water treatment, production, distribution, and its consumptions. First is sensors. Sensors have broad applications in smart water management due to their great diversity and purposes. In a very basic water supply chain, sensors measure the quality of raw catchment water, the chemical composition in the water after treatment, and wastewater, etc. It also measures changing quantity in storage reservoir, then pressure on the pipes in the distribution pipeline, then wear of equipment, that is damage of equipment and machinery that process and distribute water to end users and more. Using the data produced by sensors, management at different points of water supply chain receive key insights into the changing conditions of water resources and equipment and can take data-driven corrective measures on demand. Then the next technology is smart meters and monitoring systems. Smart meters and monitoring hubs allow real-time water consumption measuring. Then they help identifying overly excess usage and waste points as well as correct usage patterns and make predictions for future consumption. This water management technology is useful for both water production and distribution managers and bulk households. Using smart meters and consumption monitoring tools, both can correct their water consumption routines and reach sustainability by budgeting goals. Then next is automated distribution systems and precision algorithms. Using environmental sensors and predefined or self-learning algorithms, a smart distribution system provides automatic water supply to the endpoint. In case of smart irrigation, for example, sprinkles provide just enough water depending on the reads from the soil moisture, air humidity and crop condition sensors. Objectives of smart water management. The primary objective of smart water management is reasonable and sustainable usage and recycling of water resources. Growing population, increasing environmental issues and pressure on the food and agriculture sector make water even a more precise asset. In this respect, water management technologies and activities pursue the following objectives. First objective is reduce wasting of water. It is used in high volumes in such areas as manufacturing, agriculture, power production, etc. It implies the introduction of high-tech practices like precision farming, smart irrigation and real-time water metering. Then second is improve water quality. Improve water quality and prevent contamination by chemical waste and natural pollution such as acidification. In order to improve and maintain the quality of water, companies use sensor technology for real-time monitoring and control. Third is enhance the efficiency of water system such as water collectors, treatment plants, distribution mains and wastewater recycling centers. Using IoT and data solutions for asset management, companies can keep important measurements such as water pressure, temperature, flow, etc. inside, practice predictive maintenance and avoid breakage and downtime. Next factor is implement leakage control by using smart water management devices equipped with leak and moisture sensors. Leakage control is essential to keep water resources and budgets in safe. Then next is practice consumption monitoring. Practice consumption monitoring to optimize and keep under control the usage of water resources at different levels in household, in industry, in the country or whole planet. How does IoT improve the water industry? Internet of Things helps the water industry reach all the listed objectives. Moreover, the concept of Internet of Water emerges nowadays. It implies connecting all the systems and players in the water supply chain, that is raw water, treatment plants, distribution pipes, utility companies and consumers, etc. and empowering decision makers with important insights on the state of water resources and equipment used in this domain. Not many technologies can beat IoT in the water industries. For example, IoT enables transparency to the processes in the water supply chain, then real-time monitoring and the ability to immediately address the detected issues, automation and augmentation of human power, sustainable practices to reduce waste, forward forward oriented water conservation strategy based on data analytics and prediction algorithms. These are far not all impact Internet of Things has in water resources management. IoT applications in water management system are smart irrigation, water system integrity, smart water monitoring, and rain and storm water management. Let us see one by one. First is smart irrigation. One of the leaders among the IoT professionals, that is Bosch Engineering, provides a sensor-based solutions for smart on-demand irrigation. It measures water status in plants to make sure they get just enough water for the best nutritional value and the highest yield. Collected data on the plant's thirst is combined with the weather forecast. Artificial intelligence algorithms then calculate the ideal irrigation scheme based on this data and help farmers keep their crops at the ultimate health. Next application is water system integrity. Sensitive strips are sensor-based leak detectors that help identify pipe or connection damage immediately and prevent heavy leakage and wastewater resources. These strips are incredibly simple to install and use both indoor and outdoor, and therefore are great for households, offices and public spaces. The next is smart water monitoring. Edcon is the smart water company that provides a wide range of water management services from leakage detectors to irrigation management and rainwater monitoring. One of the company's solutions is focused on smart water management or measurement and quality monitoring for different businesses in the supply chain, that are farmers, meteorologists, utility services, etc. The solution includes sensors, stations, telemetry units, and software which processes generated data and creates insights for the decision makers. Next application is rain and storm water management. Companies like RainGrid turn rain and stormwater as ubiquitous water, able to fully provide water needs for the independent households and the whole neighborhoods. The company designs and implements IoT and data solutions to harvest rainwater and transform it into a major water source for off-grid communities. This approach shows how the application of IoT in water resources management helps unlock the new options for more sustainable and resilient living.